Hello everyone, welcome back to our data structure lecture. Today I am going to explain about application of stack and evaluation of postfix and prefix expression. Application of stack. Application of stack means stack used in expression evaluation. So stack is used to evaluate prefix, postfix and infix expression. Next application is expression conversion. An expression can be represented in prefix, postfix or infix notation. Stack can be used to convert one form of expression to another. Means here in expression conversion, convert infix to prefix expression or convert infix to postfix expression. Next application is syntax parsing. Many compilers use a stack for parsing the syntax of expressions, program blocks, etc. before translating into low-level code. So here parser is a compiler or interpreter component that breaks data into smaller elements for easy translation into another language. Next application is backtracking. Suppose we are finding a path. For solving problem, we choose a path and after following it, we realize that it is wrong. Path means we travel one destination to another destination. Now we need to go back to the beginning of the path to start with the new path. This can be done with the help of stack. Next application is parenthesis checking. Stack is used to check the proper opening and closing of parenthesis. Parenthesis means brackets. Next is string reversal. Stack is used to reverse a string. We push the characters of string one by one into stack and the pop character from the stack. Example, if we push a string is hello, means first we push H, then E, then L, then again L and then O. But using pop operation, first pop is O, then L, then L, then E and then H. So here our string is reverse. Next application is function call. Stack is used to keep information about the active functions or subroutines. So here in programming, whenever you make a call from one function to another function, the address of the calling function gets stored in the stack. Polish notations. The way to write arithmetic expression is known as a notation. An arithmetic expression can be written in three different but equivalent notations, that is, without changing the essence or output of an expression. These notations are infix notation, prefix means Polish notation, and postfix means reverse Polish notation. Polish notations. First is infix notation. We write expression in infix notation. Example A plus B, where operators are used in between operands. It is easy for us humans to read, write and speak in infix notation, but the same does not go well with computing devices. So next notation is prefix notation. In this notation, operator is prefixed to operands, that is, operator is written ahead of operands. For example, plus AB means first we write operator and then operands. Next is postfix notation. This notation style is known as reversed Polish notation. In this notation style, the operator is postfixed to the operands That is, the operator is written after operands. For example, AB plus means here first we write operands and then operator. Example for notations. The following table briefly tries to show the difference in all three notations. So first example is A plus B. So here operator is in between operands. Next, in prefix notation, first is operator and then operands. In postfix, first is operands and then operator. See here in second example, A plus B into C. But here we first solve bracket. So in bracket, we first solve addition. So in prefix notation, last operation we use, that is multiplication. So here we write first multiplication, then plus, and then A, B and C. Means here first we add A and B and then we multiply result with C. So in postfix operation, first we solve A plus B, that's why here we write AB plus. Then we solve multiplication, that's why we first write operand and then operator, that's why we first write C and then operator is multiplication. So this third and fourth example, all of you practice this. Evaluation of postfix expression. Expression is 3, 4, 5, multiplication and addition. So first stack is empty. In second step we push 3 in stack, then push 4, then push 5. So here in stack present element is 3, 4 and 5. Then is multiplication. So we pop 5 and 4 and multiply 5 and 4, that is 20. So then we push 20 in this stack and then we pop this 20 and 3 and then we add this 20 plus 3. So answer is 23. So now we push this 23 in stack. So here in this example our result is 23. Next example for evaluation of postfix expression is 5, 3, addition, 8, 2, subtraction and then multiplication. So here first stack is empty, then we push 5, then 3 and then is come operator. So we pop 3 and 5 and add 5 plus 3. The answer is 8. Next we push 8 in the stack. Now second element is 8, so we push next 8. So next is 2, then we push 2. Next is minus, that's why we perform subtraction between two operands. So topmost operand is 8 and 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So we push 6 in stack. Then is multiplication. So we multiply 8 into 6. The answer is 48 and we push 48 and we pop the result, that is 48. Evaluation of prefix expression. So here expression of prefix is subtraction, addition, 8, divisions, 6, 3 and 2. In prefix expression we start evaluation from right side. So here first stack is empty and in right side first element is 2. So we push 2. then 3, then we push 3, then 6, that's why we push 6. Then operator is division, so we pop 6 and 3 and perform this division operator. So we divide 6 divide by 3. So answer is 2. That's why we push 2 in stack. So next is 8. So we push 8. Next is operator addition. That's why we perform addition in between topmost two operands. So we add 8 plus 2, answer is 10. Then we push 10 in stack. Then last operator is subtraction. So we subtract 10 minus 2, that is answer is 8. So we push 8 into the stack. So our result is 8. I hope all of you understand application of stack and how to evaluate postfix and prefix expression. So all of you keep practicing example of evaluation of this prefix and postfix expressions. Thank you.